So I had my 2018 Subaru Forester for about 3 years now, and I always thought there was something missing. Can you guess what it is? Lucky for me, I was able to get this from eBay. Got this for $100, supposedly brand new. It says that there's no instructions in there, and if you're watching this video, it's probably because you want to see how it's done. Your secret's safe with me, don't worry. So I'm gonna get this open and see what's inside. So here's what came out of the box. 2 crossbars. The front one is longer than the back. Here's the model number. And they include the Torx, which is actually hilarious because I don't have any Torx screwdrivers. So that's nice to have. There's a 150-pound weight limit. And it definitely has flex. I'm not even standing on it all the way, so I could believe that. If you look underneath, it actually tells you where the front of the vehicle should be facing. Also left and right orientation. The right side has extendability. Not sure how useful that will be. And when you loosen these Torx screws, it should just swing out from the back and allow you to mount it. You don't have to loosen it all the way. Just enough for that clamp to swing around. And you can kind of tell which part is the front because it's kind of like an airplane wing. The front part is thicker and tapers in the back. So that's where the aero comes in, aerodynamic. So I have it loosened on both ends. And this clamp just swings right around. And to tighten it, once it's on the car, it's just the reverse. So for the front bar, I'm going to start on the left side. The front of the bar should be 6 inches behind this corner right here. This is the hex that you're going to tighten down. If you're really picky about things being straight, square like I am, I would wiggle both of these bars roughly into place. I measured, it's exactly 6 inches from this and 4 inches from that corner to the edge of the bar. Once everything's squared up, you just got to tighten it down. They specify 30 inch-pounds, which is about 3 foot-pounds, and that's not a lot. As long as it's good and tight, it's good. These don't rotate like a wheel while the car's in motion, so don't go crazy on it. If you strip these out, you're gonna have a bad day. And there we have it. Definitely looks a lot nicer than it before. I chose this one because I wanted to stick with factory OEM. Aftermarket ones extend further out to the side, but regardless, they're all rated for 150 pounds. If you could find it for MSRP or less, I would recommend it. If you could find it off eBay for cheaper, like I did, even better. This kind of stuff doesn't really matter if it's new or used, as long as it's in good shape. If you're looking for a used one, just make sure the screws aren't stripped out. And you know, they're on the outside of the car, so they're just gonna get dirty eventually. But yeah, just pay attention to the weight limit and don't tighten it too much and you should be good to go.